Welcome to Beyond Soup, where I put up all sorts of stuff. Today we have a Chauvet Hurricane Haze 2D machine. This is a DJ's tool to put some haze into the air so they can utilize it for lighting purpose. This is not a fog machine. This is again a hazer, so it doesn't fill up the place with thick fog, but just a haze enough for the lighting effects to really come out when you've got an event or anything like that. Anyway, just wanted to show you how this unit is functioning and how it works. Again, this is a quick video of this item, the Chauvet Haze 2D. So first things first is a quick overview of the unit. Here's a physical look at it. It's got a door here to be able to put your liquid in to this container. Then you've got a space here for your controller and your power cord, and you've got your DMX input here, then the control board, which I'll show you in a little bit. Anyway, this unit does not have the hanging bracket, so but this, again, quickly here, there's where the blower is at. This is where the haze comes out, and then you have the ability to change this in different angles depending on how you want the output to come out, which we'll show you again in a little bit. So you've got that control. Anyway, here it is. Let's turn it on. So there's two ways you can utilize this machine. One is through the control board directly, and one is through the remote. In order for you to use the remote, you have to set this thing to 0 in terms of the fan, as well as the haze. So hold on for a second. So right now, when you first turn it on, it hasn't warmed up, and what you'll see is a red indicator that shows that it's not yet warm enough to give you haze. You're waiting for it to turn blue, and it will turn on by itself once you do that. There it is. It's blue now. Because I had it set to 0, oh, there it is. It just kicks on by itself. So here's this thing coming out with the haze, and then again you can lift this up and down. Right now it's in timer mode, using the remote control. I wanted to show you how to use it in manual mode first, so let's turn off the timer, and I'll go through that later. So here it is. You can go through the menus. Right now it's at 0 because we're using the controller. Haze is at 0, and then the DMX. Then you'll have to program that when you connect it to a DMX controller. Anyways, as far as this goes, you don't have to have the remote in order to make it work if you just want a continuous output. The control or the fan speed can go from 0 to 5. So 1, 0, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So you can hear it as far as the speed goes. Also, the haze, if we go there, it's the amount of output. There it is. And that also has control from 0 to 5, 5 being the most. So that's at a 3 right now. Let's change it to 5. Menu. There it is. Let's see this thing coming out of here. Get out of haze. All right. So like I said, that's one way of using it on the unit itself. Now, for the controller to work, again, we need to set it fan speed to 0, then Haze at 0. So there's the controller. When you're using the timer, you have the ability to have it turn on automatically in different intervals in minutes here, from 0.5 to 60 minutes. The duration of the fan going on would be from 1 second to 15 seconds, and then the amount of output, amount of haze that'll come out. So right now, since the timer isn't on, we can use it in manual mode or continuous. If we just hit continuous, it'll just spit out haze for as long as you have it on the remote control. Turn it off. Now we can also use it in manual mode, where all you have to do is hit the button, and as much as you want to, as long as you're hitting the button, it's turning the fan on and the haze starting to come out. So all right, and then as far as the timer goes, again, let's put it here on 0.5, put the output, let's say pretty high, and then let's put it for about 9 seconds. So in about half a minute, about 30 seconds, it should turn on by itself, and then we'll get haze that way, and it'll turn on for about 9 seconds. There it is. And then turn off. So that's it. That is the Hurricane Haze 2D by Chauvet Haze machine. This is again a nice machine to have for entertainers and DJs if they're doing performances and they want some haze to go with their lights. It's a fantastic unit to have. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and possibly join the channel. That's Beyond Soup, where I put up all sorts of stuff. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video.